What's up guys, it's been a while since I made a video on the S2000. I've been so busy with projects and things like that, but I want to show you guys what's been going on with the car. Not much, but I'll show you anyway. Alright guys, car look pretty much the same. Got the Muse replica front bumper. Okay, still looking nice. Fitment is phenomenal, except for right there on the headlight, but that's why you know it's fake. Mugen wheels are nice, wrapped in Michelin all-season tires, as you know, but I'm probably going to take those tires off. I don't know, leaving that as is. Car is completely stock for the most part. Oil and coilovers have been installed, and if you see, it kind of looked like it went down a little bit, but honestly when I sit in the car it kind of levels out. I haven't fixed that issue, and I don't want to lower it. I just want to leave it as is. I want it completely square all around. This is something new. Let me turn the light on here. Got my little snap-on light here. As you can see, there's a black seat in here. Okay, let's open the door. Up close, alright, you can see it's a bucket seat on Buddy Club rails. I also got this ASM Recaro seat bolster protector, and just giving that away, there it is, Recaro pole positions. So I picked this up the other day from my buddy, pretty much brand new, sitting on Buddy Club rails. It's really tight fit. If you can see in the little corner there, that's my little seatbelt. It's stuck. I gotta get an extender, which I did, and push it back and run the extension through that hole so I can just strap down using the OEM seatbelt. I'm borrowing this from my buddy Law. It's the ASM Recaro seat protector there. That's really expensive, I would think, so that's why I'm borrowing it. Another mod to the list, as you can see there, I got Chasing J's titanium shift knob. It's really nice, very sturdy and heavy. I didn't want a ball shaped shift knob. I didn't want anything crazy. The OEM one was kind of annoying because it's what I wanted, but it was too round. I need something a little bit more like squared off. So I bought this one from my buddy Law, but I might return it to him. I just don't know yet. Just because I feel bad for taking it from him, and that's actually what happened. I took it from him and I told him I'll pay him back later, but honestly, that's his. I might just give it back to him. I don't know yet, but that's the current mods right now. Everything else is pretty much stock on the inside. Mugen hardtop is still looking mighty fine. I added a sticker on that, and I'll tell you about it after this. Everything's about the same. Vanity plate is clean. I did add a red badge, as you can see there. The red Honda NSX badge. And I think it really sets off the white a lot. I wonder why this is here. Okay. I am going to actually start messing with the car beyond the stock body limit. That means is I'm going to roll the fenders. I already rolled the driver's side the other day, but today I gotta do the passenger side. So that's the reason why the jack is on this side. I'm about to jack it up, take the wheel off, clean up the wheel well, take off the little rubber, and we're gonna go ahead and roll this fender because I am going to take this car to the track on Tuesday next week. And you know, unfortunately I can't run the Mugen wheels on the track because they're too expensive to run. So I picked up and borrowed a set of Graham lights from my buddy, and we're gonna go ahead and put some beefy, sticky Bridgestone tires on them, the RE71s, and that's gonna be really aggressive. So I gotta roll the rear fenders. Unfortunately, I'm gonna tear into the stock body and, you know, take away a little bit of its value. But you know what? This is my car, this is my build, this is my project. I'm gonna keep this car for a little bit, and I'm better off just having fun with it as much as I can. It's very nice tonight. It's actually really cold. We got a cold front in Florida right now, so right behind me I can feel the cold air from the garage door, which is fantastic. It's like 72 degrees, 75 degrees in the garage right now. So it's ideal for getting down and getting this car sorted out. Gonna be rolling that fender, and also another thing, also picked up some OEM side strakes. So you can see right there, it has Honda. So I got the rubber seal that I can put in here. They usually come in black, but I don't like the black. I think the black is a little bit like tacky, so I actually bought the gray OEM rubber seals. Really nice on here. It's gonna be very subtle. This is where it's actually gonna sit. As you can see, very clean. But as you can see on the driver's side, I removed the rubber. The rubber actually gets in the way, so I had to remove that anyway. So it's not really a loss on rolling the fender. It's gonna have a lot of clearance, and that's really important to me. I didn't roll all the way down. I rolled it just to there because I don't think I'm gonna lower the car any more than it is. if I run wheels any wider, it's still gonna function properly. So I don't need to roll past that rivet point right there. So this is gonna look very fantastic. I've been wanting these oleum side strakes for a little bit. Not a lot of people like these, but I think they're pretty cool. So I'm probably gonna put this camera on tripod and set up everything over there, and we're gonna start rolling these fenders. I'm gonna time lapse it because it's just gonna take too much time. I'm probably gonna spend about 45 minutes to an hour just doing it because I want to make sure I do a really good job. So go ahead and get it done. Alright guys, so there you have it. I just rolled it just enough, not too crazy. So as you can see, it's been rolled. I actually put the rubber back in, so it still has the OEM rubber seal right there. Goes all the way up, so you don't see the white. Just another way to hide the little things, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to like look, oh, he rolled his fenders and that. Nah, I want to keep it as clean and OEM as possible, but if it ever came to a point where the wheels are rubbing really bad on it, I'm going to take them off. But for now, I'm going to leave it on there. So tomorrow, I got tires coming in. We're going to be putting those tires on the gram lights, and you don't know what they look like yet, but when I get them mounted tomorrow, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.